Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will talk you through the answers to the Measure Lengths 1 worksheet, which is measuring lengths using non-standard units, and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits. In this video, I'm going to take you through the answers to the Measure Length 1 worksheet, which is measuring length using non-standard units. So let's start with question 1. Measure the objects and complete the table below. So we must count up to see how long each object is in cubes. Remember, we stop counting when the non-standard units match up with the end of the object. So here we have a table to fill in, object and number of cubes. Let's start with the calculator as that's our first object. Okay, let's count up to see how long it is. I can see where it ends, so that's where I'm going to stop counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The calculator is 5 blocks long. Let's repeat with the other objects. So we're going to do the sharpener next. 1, 2, 3. It ends at 3, so it's 3 cubes. Let's do the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is where it ends, so 10 cubes. And finally the pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes, it ends at 7. So we've completed that question. Let's move on to question 2. Match the objects to the correct measurements. So we're going to do the same thing here, but remember, we stop counting when we reach the end of the object. Some of these objects, like before, have non-standard units which pass the length of the object, so we need to make sure we stop counting when we reach the end. Let's start with the backpack then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It ends at 9. 9 cubes. I'm going to match that up. Now for the scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see it ends at 7 cubes. So I'm going to match it up. And now that leaves me with 6 cubes for my book, but let's just count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes. It matches up perfectly. Okay, let's move on to question 3. Circle the 2 pets that have a total length of 10 blocks. So here we have to find 2 animals that have a total length of 10 blocks. First of all, let's count up each animal and see how long each one is. So let's start with the hamster. 1, 2, 3. It ends at 3. So I'm going to write 3 there so I remember. The lizard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the guinea pig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember, we're looking for 2 animals that make a total length of 10 blocks. We can use our bonds to 10 to help us. So I can see 2 animals that would make a bond to 10. The rabbit and the guinea pig, because 5 and 5 makes 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. That was the answer explanation video for Measure Lengths 1 from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.